Our top story tonight, a change in access to Ring doorbell footage. Starting this week, the home security giant is restricting access on the app to law enforcement.
The company now will require law enforcement to have a search warrant for footage instead of just requesting it from users on the app. Today, I talked to two local law enforcement agencies about what this change means for them.
It's a tool that's been a pivot for solving crimes.
Though we're not having a physical presence there, we can still have a eye in the sky, so to say.
Surveillance footage has helped law enforcement across the country, from suspicious activity to unwanted guests.
Anytime that we can get a video or some sort of footage of the event or the alleged actors, it's definitely a point in the right direction for our investigation.
Now popular Amazon-owned Ring is changing law enforcement's access. The company is changing their policy by getting rid of the request for assistance tool in the Neighbors app, a place where law enforcement was able to request and receive video captured by the doorbell cameras.
It really doesn't change the way we're going to do business.
Ring says law enforcement will now need a warrant to get footage from the app. But Lieutenant Christopher Wilcox with the Bell County Sheriff's Department says no problem.
Which is not going to be any more difficult for us one way or the other.
And they still will be able to obtain this footage.
Bell County Sheriff's Department prefers going one-on-one with surveillance camera owners.
Doesn't stop us from going individual to individual and talking the way we prefer to do it anyway.
Same thing for Temple Police Department.
Securing footage that way has been way more successful for us in being able to secure that relevant footage than using things like the Ring doorbell in the neighborhood app.
Law enforcement will still be able to get their hands and eyes on the footage with the help of the community.
They can still provide footage that they secure from their Ring camera or just security cameras in general if they have them on their home, their car, whatever it might be.
Well, law enforcement agencies will still be able to make public posts in the Ring Neighbors app for safety tips, updates, and events. Ring did not provide a reason for this policy change.